Okay guys, so if your iPhone showing such error like liquid detected in lighting connector, disconnect to allow the connector to dry. So if you see such error and you are not able to charge your iPhone, so what you need to do is, well, how I fix that. So first of all, uh, disconnect disconnect wire from charging wire from your iPhone and simply use fan and in connector just dry it, yeah, like 2-3 minutes, and it should start working again. If it's not working, try it for up to 5 minutes, and so like hit it for 5 minutes, and it should work. So really easy. And if it's still showing some error like this after drying it, so make sure to switch it off and switch it back, and it should work again.